Hi, my book has arrived and I wanted to unbox it with you. I got this great idea from my apprentice, Amy Simpkins. Thank you. And this is my third book, so I'm wondering if I will be just as excited to see it. All right, are we ready? Let us see how the final copy looks. Oh, it's beautiful. It's hardcover, short. I believe it is under 200 pages. And the serving mindset. Stop selling and grow your business. I am so privileged to say that Michael Bungastanier, who wrote the Wall Street Journal bestseller, The Coaching Habit, wrote the foreword for this book, and many amazing people have been involved in the book. And we have had some 20 plus advanced readers who have shared their thoughts in front of the book. But you know what? What matters most is that this book helps you. So if you run a business and you offer professional services and you have big dreams, but you feel at some kind of a conflict with your selling, then I wrote this book for you. Because I felt that I had to compromise my values and not feel at integrity with how I sell in order to do business, in order to charge premium prices, in order to have a professional service, and that not be true. So I share with you what I have done to build my business and the businesses of our clients, and I hope this helps you. So the Serving Mindset, Stop Selling and Grow Your Business, goes on sale on November 6th, Election Day, on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. So if you're watching this before, then you can pre-order. And if you are watching it after, you can grab it any of those places. Let me know what you think. Cheers!